Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to have a PDF read aloud or translate a PDF into another language using Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat includes accessibility features that can read PDF text aloud, and it also supports workflows that make it easier to copy, export, or prepare PDF content for translation. These tools are useful for accessibility, language learning, document review, and multilingual collaboration. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to listen or to translate a PDF in Acrobat 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, how to listen to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first thing, open the PDF you want to listen to, verify that the document contains readable text, okay? Searchable PDFs generally work best with read out loud or read aloud features. Check whether the PDF contains searchable text. Try selecting text within the document. If you can, highlight and copy text. Acrobat should be able to read it. If you cannot select text, OCR may be required. Okay, so run OCR if necessary. Enable read out loud and start listening. Okay, so you enable the reading out loud by going to view. Okay, read out loud, then choose activate read out loud. Okay, and then start listening. Now, how to translate a PDF, verify the PDF is searchable before translating, confirm that text can be selected. If necessary, run OCR first too. Translation tools require accessible text. Okay, so export the PDF to an editable format. Okay, so select all tools, export a PDF, then choose Microsoft Word, plain text, other editable format. So copy or extract the text, select the text you want to translate, then copy the text, export the document, prepare it for translation software. Clean text extraction improves translation accuracy. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.